I'm going to show you how to make brown sugar at home. I'm going to make 2 cups. You could make 1. You could make 10. It's up to you. But the ratio is 1 cup of white sugar to 1 tablespoon of blackstrap molasses. So 2 cups of sugar, 2 tablespoons of molasses. Get it and mix it. It's getting ready to be that season of baking. I'm just gonna get it and mix it all up. Make sure all the molasses is incorporated with the sugar. It's not going to be like really dark, so if you want dark brown sugar, then just add more molasses. And did you know, if you get powdered sugar and put it in a blender and blend it on high, you can make powdered sugar. I'm just going to put this lid on it and I'm going to seal it. Nice and tight, and that's how you make brown sugar at home.